On the process, you got to go on the road and drive it back and forth for a long time, 10 times, and then it's going to grind the disc. All right, I'll pause it there. So this is the process. You got to do it 10 times. I've got 3 more times to do. I'll do a quick video so you see what I mean. It's telling you to go. So it's going to beep. And you drive for 30 meters. Tells you to stop again, and I've got 2 more to go. Alright, takes a long time, but you got to do it properly. So now the control unit is calibrated. The rear brake disc is calibrated, and now it's adopted the value to the actual ECU. And now you can calibrate the ECU, the computer. Alright? So it's a bit hard to actually see what it's actually being. So now I can just, all I do now is go out. And then go to calibration.
The vast majority is Aboriginal population, and so you fly there from Darwin, and then you can get between the 2 islands on like a little barge thing. But it's infested with crocs, and there are sharks, and they're like pretty much everything on the island can kill you. Yeah, but the crocs are huge, and like it's just a normal part of life. Like they see them, and they're like, oh yeah, there's that croc.
Okay, calibration completed.
Seems completely normal. Yeah. I remember
Press escape to continue.
my family used to
We're done. So handbrakes on now. Handbrakes off. Handbrakes on. Handbrakes off. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.